Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now in today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 guys, generation 2012, 2018. And if your radio does not work guys, we'll show you which fuse to check. Okay, if your radio doesn't work, there is actually 3 fuses that you need to check. And this doesn't matter if you have the navigation, radio, we'll explain which all 3 fuses to check guys. So you need to do that. Now in the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys, please subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to provide free videos to you, teach you how to fix your car and save you as much money as we can. So we need to go to the passenger side of the vehicle, and the fuses for the radio are located behind the glove box. Now you probably noticed our glove box is missing, but you do not have to remove your glove box. Don't worry, don't do that. If you want to see it, the video is on the channel. The only reason we removed our glove box is so we can gain a little bit more room and we can video better where all the fuses are located. So let me now start. Okay, the only thing that you need to do, you can see this cover, you need to remove it by squishing. Okay, each of the returners has 2 teeth. Push in, pull out and remove that cover. Now this is where you find your fuses. This is where you find your BCM, body control module. The first fuse that we need to check, it's a 15 amp fuse and it's number 79. So that fuse guys, okay, you can see every fuse has a number in the top right corner next to the fuse. That fuse 79, okay, will be a 15 amp fuse and it's this one, okay, right here. So we'll go ahead, pull it out, okay, and replace it with a new one. All the tools guys and parts that we use, including these fuses, will be listed in the description of the video for your convenience. Really good deal guys, nothing sponsored here, it's just a product that we use. So this is 15 amp fuse right here, and we'll go ahead and replace our 79 fuse. We'll check the other 2 fuses as well. Okay, one is fuse number 85, 7.5 amp fuse. Okay, this one right here. So I'm going to remove this one to check it. What I like about the new fuses is that they're really easy to see if they're burnt or not. The original factory fuses are a little bit hard to see the element inside. Okay, this one is not too bad, but it looks like it's okay. We have a video how to test fuses as well. Okay, perfect. And the last fuse that we need to check is fuse number 88. This is a 25 amp fuse. Okay, this is for the GPS navigation if you have compass. Okay, this one right there. And this is it guys, this is a good fuse as well, so I'll just plug it in. So we just had one bad fuse in our case, that caused the radio, okay, not to work. So thank you guys for watching, please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.